In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize TradingView charts. Whether you're new to TradingView or just looking to personalize your charting experience, this guide will walk you through each step to make your charts truly your own. First things first, let's display a chart. To do this, start by entering a ticker symbol on the TradingView homepage or the chart interface. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the company or financial instrument you're interested in. Once you have that, click on the chart to open the fully interactive and customizable chart view. This is your blank canvas ready for you to paint with data. Now that we have our chart open, it's time to customize its appearance to suit your style and needs. To access the settings, either right-click on the chart or click the gear icon located in the top right corner. This will open the settings window where we can start making the chart look exactly how you want it. In the settings menu, there are several options to explore. Under the symbol tab, you have the option to change the chart style. You might prefer candlesticks, lines, or areas depending on your analysis style. Customize the colors of your chart as well. You can adjust the colors for the candle body, wicks, and borders, tailoring them to your preference. A personal touch can make it easier to distinguish trends and patterns. Moving on, in the Appearance tab, you have the ability to modify the background and grid lines. Change the background color, decide whether you want grid lines on or off, and tweak their opacity. If the default cursor isn't your style, you can also change it between a plain dot or a crosshair and customize its appearance for better clarity. Once you've set everything to your liking, it's important to save your changes. To do this, click the down arrow at the top of the chart and select Save as this chart layout. It's a great way to ensure that all of your personalized settings are stored. You can even name and save multiple layouts to easily switch between them later. Let's dive into some key customization options you might find useful. Adding indicators can greatly enhance your analysis. TradingView offers a plethora of indicators that you can overlay onto your chart. Additionally, you can save color themes and indicator templates. This allows you to apply them to any chart with just one click, which is a real time saver. Setting up multi-chart layouts is another useful feature, letting you manage multiple charts on a single screen using the Layout Setup menu. For those who prefer a darker screen, switching to a dark mode or a lighter theme is a simple click away, allowing you to select what's easy on your eyes during extended charting sessions. And there you have it. With these steps, you can personalize TradingView charts to not only perform better analysis, but also enjoy a more pleasant user experience. Happy